welcome back to the channel once again. I know it's been a while since I uploaded some new content to the channel, but now I'm back, and this time I want to share with you all a new product that was recently released, and that product is called the Eachine E19 mini quadcopter. Now it's sort of a hybrid design between a quadcopter and a winged aircraft, and has been fashioned to look like a mini Boeing V-22 Osprey. And it's basically just a pretty looking toy grade drone that is meant to fly around indoors and possibly outdoors as well. Anyway, enough of that. Let's go ahead and pop this little guy open. Alright, so this is what comes included inside of the box. You get the E19 unit, a remote controller, the user manual. You also get a display stand, which you can use for displaying it on your shelf or wherever you want, which is kind of interesting. And it also comes with two baggies, one containing extra propellers, extra screws, extra wheels, and the basic screwdriver. The other contains a phone mount holder and an extra battery. So let me go ahead and show you guys in detail the quadcopter itself. As you can see in the front, it has a small camera lens that records video in 720p, and I believe that it also takes photos at the same size and resolution. The four motors are in fact brushed motors, which are placed on the tip of each wing, with two on the top and two on the bottom that are inverted, which should probably give it a nice thrust at takeoff when hitting the throttle stick. The RC range is labeled at 80 meters and FPV at 60 meters, but I really doubt that it reaches that far. I'd probably put the RC range at, 20 to 30 meters and 15 to 20 meters for FPV, realistically speaking. Now on the bottom, it has three LED lights, two on each wing and one at the tail. It also has three little plastic wheels to keep it above ground so that the bottom propellers don't scrape on the ground when spinning. One of the wheels is actually fixed to the battery cover, so you definitely want to be careful when removing it from the bay. Speaking of the battery, this little guy has a 3.7 volt 800 milliamp lithium polymer battery that should give you around 5 to 6 minutes in real time. Now it doesn't have an optical flow lens on the bottom, unfortunately, but it does have an altitude hold sensor, so that should keep it leveled at a fixed height. The remote is pretty basic, joysticks are spring-loaded, and you have your usual buttons like the power on-off, take-off landing, which also works as an emergency stop function, and on the top are the trim/res and the 360 flip button. You can also place the phone mount holder here and get an FPV feed while operating the quad using the KY FPV app. The remote itself does run on 3 AAA batteries, which are not provided. So to get this little guy up in the air, you first turn on the quad by switching the on and off switch on the bottom, then turn on the remote and press the left joystick up and down to pair the remote to the quadcopter. To do the headless mode calibration, you move both joysticks like this. And to do the gyro calibration, you do this. To turn on the motors manually, press both the joysticks down and out. And to turn them off, you do the same. personal thoughts on the Eachine E19 is that it's a basic toy-grade quadcopter that's basically made to fly indoors and somewhat outdoors on a very calm day with no wind. I think it's great as a gift for your kids, or you can even use it as a learner quad for those who are beginners that just, want to learn the pure basics of drone flight. Anyway, that's all for me in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to add a like to the video if you did enjoy it, and also hit that subscribe button while you're at it if you want to support the channel as well. Just make sure the notify bell is turned on. This way you'll know when I put out new videos in the future. And with that said, I'll see you all on the next one.